Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Galaxy S26 Ultra series is coming soon in a few weeks. The network has revealed the most exciting details about Samsung's most futuristic flagship, the Galaxy S27 Ultra 5G. According to the latest preliminary news data, the new Galaxy S27 Ultra flagship will beat even its unannounced flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, coming with massive upgrades and features. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New reports claim that Samsung is preparing Polar ID for the Galaxy S27 Ultra, compact biometrics for instant and secure unlocking even through glasses and masks. Samsung is partnering with MetaLens to develop Polar ID facial recognition technology, which may appear in future flagship models, including the Galaxy S27 Ultra. The system is designed to provide a high level of security while maintaining a standard screen design without large notches. Polar ID uses polarized light to identify users. Unlike traditional solutions based on 2D photography or 3D depth modeling, this system captures the unique characteristics of light reflection off the skin. Properties such as fabric structure and moisture create individual polarization signatures. Artificial materials, such as photographs, masks, or screens, reflect light differently, making counterfeiting virtually impossible. Recognition takes a fraction of a second and combines hardware and software components. IR illumination, the smartphone directs a stream of near-infrared light to the face. Meta-optics, a nanostructured surface replaces massive lenses by filtering reflected light by polarization. Image sensor, a specialized sensor simultaneously captures a visual image and polarization data. Verification algorithms, a built-in secure chip compares the received data with a reference signature and, if a match is found, unlocks the device. Polar ID reduces the module size by approximately half compared to traditional 3D systems. The camera and security sensor are integrated into a single optical path, allowing for the standard front-facing camera to be retained, without a noticeable notch. According to preliminary data, the system operates in approximately 180 milliseconds. It is less sensitive to external lighting and can recognize faces through glasses and partially through masks. Eliminating the need for complex 3D projectors allows the technology to be implemented, not only in premium versions but also in more affordable models. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.